New arrival. Cruise control. Value priced below the market. NHTSA 5-star crash rating. Popular color combo. This 2006 Pontiac G6 GT has a sharp silver exterior. Our vehicles are value priced and move quickly. Be sure to call us to confirm availability and to schedule a hassle-free test drive. We are located at 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, miles 49,009. Please call Todd Needs 269-998-9065 to see if this unit is available. Sold units do not drop off listings for up to 10 days. Thank you for looking at Craigslist. If stopping into the dealership, please ask for Todd Needs when you arrive.